In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is AutoDS worth it? Let's break this down simply and honestly. AutoDS is an all-in-one automation tool designed for dropshipping. Its main promise is to save you time by handling the repetitive tasks that can slow you down. If you're new to e-commerce or you're balancing a lot at once, this kind of automation can be a real boost. AutoDS helps you find potential winning products, brings them into your store with clean listings, and can automatically fulfill orders so you're not manually processing each sale. That combination is what makes it attractive, especially when you're trying to scale or just want to keep things organized without spending all day in the back end. Now, the big question, is it worth paying for? AutoDS isn't completely free. There's typically a trial period to explore how it works, and after that, you'll have a monthly fee. The key is to look at your goals. If you're serious about building a dropshipping business, the value comes from how much time and effort the tool saves you every single week. Think in terms of real outcomes: fewer manual tasks, faster product testing, fewer order errors, and more consistent fulfillment. If those benefits help you launch faster or handle more orders with less stress, then the subscription can pay for itself. If you're just experimenting, creating content, or getting a feel for the model, the trial might be enough. Use that time to open an AutoDS account, explore the product finding features, try importing a few items to see how listings look, and get a sense of the automatic order fulfillment workflow. As you do, note where you're saving time and whether the process feels smoother than your current setup. A practical tip: set a reminder a couple of days before the trial ends. By then, you should have a clear picture of whether you'll actually use the features regularly. Compare the monthly cost to the hours you saved and the potential revenue you could generate by moving faster. If the numbers make sense and you're committed to dropshipping, moving to a paid plan is logical. If you're not ready to commit, it's perfectly fine to finish the trial and revisit later. So, is AutoDS worth it? It depends on your commitment and your workload. For serious or busy sellers, its automation can be a smart investment. For casual testing, the trial can give you exactly what you need to decide.